felt you on the kitchen floor. I had to work at 4 o'clock and didn't even go. I picked up every piece of you, just had to have some own. Pick me, take me, feed me. After all we've been through, KD, you know you need me. Don't you dare go with him, he'll just take you for granted. Don't you dare neglect me and leave me empty-handed. He'll over milk and butter you and leave you way too runny. I'll make you so dang perfect that it's not even funny. I'll take you with ketchup or even extra cheese, but you don't need no makeup to make me weak at the knees. Mac and cheese, you're the one I need. When you're in my life, you fill my dreams, make my life an easy breeze. Just the way you never tease, but you got me begging please. I'll cross the 7 seas, give you a million apologies, so that you'll come back to me and cure my lovesick heart disease.
This is my KD song, everyone now move along. I'm gonna lose control, I want you in my ball. You know how you make me feel, I just want you to be my meal. Everybody now shout it, KD, it tastes unreal. Don't feed me with the crap tuna casserole. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 too many bowls. Switch it up with the KD, then we roll. I'll eat it all up even when I'm full. I remember as a kid it was my goal to get every single noodle out my bowl. Even through the years as I get old, I won't listen to the things that I am told. Oh carrot, you don't have to eat it all. Maybe next time have some cereal. Mac and cheese is all cholesterol. Maybe work on your self-control. Wouldn't want to roll up as a ball, but I guess in the end it's your call. If you want to fight, I will win the brawl. Macaroni is my life and that is all. This is my KD song, everyone now move along. I'm gonna lose control, I want you in my ball. You know how you make me feel, I just want you to be my meal. Everybody now shout it, KD, it tastes unreal. This is my KD song, everyone now move along. I'm gonna lose control, I want you in my bowl. You're always there for me when I'm not feeling full. Everybody shout it, KD is how we roll. This is my KD song, everyone now move along. I'm gonna lose control, I want you in my ball. You know how you make me feel, I just want you to be my meal. Everybody now shout it, KD, it tastes unreal.
Thank you so much for watching. If you want to listen to it more, feel free to download it on iTunes. The link is in the description.